What's going on YouTube? Dapper Dan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. And welcome to my new garage. Just so you guys see it real quick. But today we are going to be putting in, sorry there's an echo, some LED lights on my Harley Davidson 48. So I already got some of them done just to make sure they fit. So I got one of the rears done. It's on the left there, and the stock one is on the right. And then I got one of the fronts done. Again, it's on the left, and the stock one is on the right. So these are smoked housings. Let me turn the key off. All right, so smoked housings. So when the bike is off, it'll look sweet. And there's no diminished light output from them at all that I can tell. You guys can see the rear ones here, and it looks way better. So what we do is you take these covers off, take the light bulb out, and then you place in the new light bulbs. So this will be the rear one, and then this is the front one because it's got the yellow on it. And there's the new black ones and the old red ones. You're supposed to use these, but that's more of like a permanent solution if you don't want to go back to stock one day. Somebody might want to go back to stock eventually, but I'm keeping this bike, so I'll probably keep the smoked ones on. And this is actually adapters if you have the big 3¼ inch lights that I think is what those dimensions are. So I'll show you guys real quick how this is done, and we will get the bike looking stealthy. So first thing you need is a flathead screwdriver. I just got this one I found. There's a little notch right here. You put it in the notch and then you go sideways real slow. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. And you pull straight off. You're supposed to pull straight off. There we go. Oops, see? Fell off all by itself. Alright, so you put that there. There's the stock bulbs. Now we'll grab the rear one. Alright, so this is why I did one myself first. For these bulbs, I tried pulling it straight out, but ooh, it's kind of warm. What you gotta do is just, you push in, twist to the left, and then it comes out like that. So, not too bad. Put that over there with those. Alright, now this is something I also struggled with. So see the two little diodes in there? And these two have to match up with it, and then you see this little nipple on each side? So there's a groove in there that you have to find, and you just have to like line it up and then twist it. All right, so see the groove on the top right, how it kind of goes down right there? That means the one that's further back goes in that groove. So there's two, one on each side. The one that's further back goes in that one. You put it in, and you're supposed to twist. Oh, okay, so it's the one that's closest to you. So the groove, the one that's closest to you, comes back. We'll turn the key on real quick. Make sure it lights up. It looks pretty sweet. Turn the key back off. Grab one of these. And do this one-handed. Take the plastic off. Now, if you're going to do the permanent way, you use those. Me, I'm just setting them in here like this, and then putting the plastic cover back on. So you find the groove that's on the outside, and that'll be exactly where you took it off at. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. All right, be right back. Yeah, it's easier to do it with two hands. So you kind of like put it in there and just push it up against. Turn the key back on real quick. Make sure we still got light. And we'll turn the key off and do the front one. Same process for the front. You find this little groove here. Take your flathead. Let it drop on the ground, I guess. Place it right there. Don't need the flathead anymore. This and your light. And then you take the bulb out. So twist to the left. Bulb comes out. Actually, you could probably look at it here. So if it'll focus, the groove that's closer to you is on the right. So just keep that in mind. Come over here. Put this groove that's closest to you on the right. Put it in and twist. And then once you got it in, check the keys again. Look at that, it's all white there. And this one is nice and bright. Turn the keys back off. Grab your cover. And again, I have to do this with two hands, so I'll be right back. All right, you make sure it snaps into place right there. Clean up your fingerprints from there. All right, we'll turn the key back on. Right there. And there it is. There is the smoked look. Go around back. Here it is from the rear. Very nice. What you can do is normally you go up front, grab the brake lever or the foot brake, and put your hand right here. And so you see if it gets brighter to make sure you have brakes. You can also check the turn signals. All right. There it is, flashing at a normal speed. And front, oh, that's cool. Look at the front, it flashes orange. That's pretty cool. All right, you cancel that, and then we'll do the left. All right, the left turn signal. Flashes orange, that's pretty awesome, I like that. And then the rear. Still got flashing in the rear, so. That is all the testing that you need to do. You could, if you wanted to, still use the colored lenses, and it would be probably a little brighter, but I like the smoked out look, murdered out as some people call it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this install of smoked out taillights and turn signals on my 2020 Harley Davidson 48. I think it looks pretty awesome. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you really enjoyed the video, share it with a friend. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Later.
We'll be right back.